Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on Trading212. And right now I'm using a demo account, so I show you exactly with my demo account how to trade. So the first thing that we're going to do is select which type of account you want to use. Right here I'm having CFDs, you also have right here Invest, where you have more options, but right now I'm using a practice account on CFDs. So right now, if you want to trade, the first thing that we are going to do is search in this list what you want to trade. So let's say we want to search right here for something. So we want to trade in Adobe. There we have it. We click right here on Adobe, and now we are having right here a chart of Adobe. Right now, what you also can do is click this away and search for Adobe right here in this list. So now let's do right now, for example, Netflix. Then you will have it right here on your big screen, but you can also do this in the search option. Now, right now, let's say I want to buy Netflix. We change the plan. I want to buy Netflix just to show you how to trade Netflix. We click here on sell if you want to short, or on buy if you want to buy. So let's do, for example, buy right now. Then you see here the quantity. Now, if you want to change quantity to value, you can click on the double arrows and then you can change between. So let's say I want to buy 1 share. Then I click right here on quantity and we do 1. So 1 share is fine. Then he's also automatically translating the dollars to euros, so that is fine. And then if you want to do on risk management, you can click right here on take profit and fill in right here the amount where he needs to take the profit. So let's say when the price goes to 100, he needs to automatically close or trade and need to take the profit. We can also do this for a stop loss. So let's say when the price goes down to 70, he needs to close or trade because I don't want to lose more money. So if you want to do on risk management, it is very important to do. Then right now we click here on confirm buy. And if you can see right here, you bought Netflix. And this is in a nutshell how you can create yourselves a position and how you can trade. And now if I go right here to my portfolio, you can see right here or positions that is standing right there. If you want to close your position, you can click right here on the cross and then it's saying, are you sure you want to close your one NVIDIA buy position? And you click right here on yes, close, and you closed your position. Then right now you have right here a place with most traded, so you can check this out if you want to do that. But this is in a nutshell the most important trading options that you need to know. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you have more questions about Trading212, please comment it down below. So I read always the comments and try to help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.